Oh, yes, I. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Father, thank you for this meal we are about to receive in thy name. You want more coffee? What,
Hey,
you're taking a sweat, boy?
brilliant hot day, boy.
Nice, man.
Hey, yeah, that coffee raise a heat there. Nice sun, boy. Nice to have so much sun after all this rain.
Make me like tomorrow, please. You know what I'm doing? After I make that run there upon the hill, I'm going on the mountain in the old house up there and see what's going on. And I'll come back down and start to do some work again. Because I ain't getting weather for the past week there. I ain't do anything because of the rain system. Yeah. So you might not come up to there again because of the weather and how you might get tired like I see them call. But when I check the message, I realize it was on the way. If you want anything, it have
I read, boy, top of the line. I want anything. Thank you.
Now line soon?
I believe so, yeah. Oh, yes.
This is normal roti.
I find it isn't extraordinary for normal roti.
I believe, I not believe, I know, that if you're cooking something for you to eat, it's supposed to taste good. You know? Normally, sometimes you buy some food out there. I don't buy food and things. I just buy Chinese, I'm lying. But it's a long time I eat no Chinese. The last time was you license with me and you the last time there. After Papa death day now. And Chinese food just tastes good because they have a way to cook it. But you eat some food from some people and it has no taste and thing. It's just food. If you can't cook with taste, well, I don't know. It doesn't make sense to eat it.
You cook with taste, your partner.
So them clients and them subscribers like Miss Lopez, Rosalind,
They done locked onto your channel, you know.
and how you call them, um, reported so.
Yeah, man. Yeah, Stephanie, she say, I am excited to see what content you produce, Mama Harry.
As I tell you, I went in looking to my thing I interview one or two people who I know, but most of my things will be in the bush. As I don't, I want to bring like the wildlife outside. The people out there. Say that wildlife, part of it anyway, nature. That is my thing. You know? While I go over my take some animal on the way, I go explain a little bit about it. I might describe a two, three trees in the forest.
Right.
I'm more of a kind of nature person when it comes to those things. That I mean to say, if I go out and plant fishes in the village where I used to hang out and build them houses,
Of course.
I must, well, let people will be excited to see me, so I must talk to them and if they want to be on tape, I will let them be on tape.
That's the beauty of it, you see. Because of time commitment, anybody could only carry somebody else's story so far.
Yeah.
But when you are alone, like let me see how you went Manson over there, at this particular event, which I have never heard about or never witnessed in my life. And you will have the opportunity now to tape this.
Yeah.
You have the opportunity to share it. Now, what we're doing is, imagine this. The more you do something, the better you get at it, right?
Yes.
So you have been farming for a number of years, the better you get at it. Right now, we're not overly, with your YouTube channel, we're not overly concerned about the shot line up nice and the composition and whatnot.
No.
All we're interested in is
getting
you
something.
turning out videos. Turning out videos. So ideally, every day, whether a thought occurs to you, whatever it may be, every day you should tape a video.
Record it for 5 minutes or
about 5 to 8 minutes long.
right.
This is a format that works very well. Sitting down here, you're eating your food.
Explaining something.
Now, here the beauty of the challenge that I throw to you. I have given you a selfie stick. I am not in the position right now to give you a tripod.
Yeah. Oh God.
But here the challenge, when you sit down here, You know, which I did in the early days of my YouTube channel, you now have to stack up books to try and make your own tripod to lead up that phone. So that is that is the beauty of what you're doing, your position in your camera. So God willing, when you make it to St. Lucia, sorry.
St. Vincent.
Is that St. Lucia?
No, Antigua.
Antigua, hear me, St. Lucia.
You tie me up on that.
When you make it to Antigua, God willing, you will have maybe months or weeks of experience using our phone.
Yeah.
So Farmer Harry will be taping his own adventures
in the other side.
In Antigua. So when you hit them 365 beaches, I want to see a video by everyone.
Yeah, man. Coffee have a little drugs in it, so it goes too fast.
Why? We taking the drugs this morning. This is the second time I eaten peas by your hair.
Yeah,
correct?
Yes, yeah.
And
it's different to the first
I like everything that you make, but I especially like how you just make your peas, brother. I especially like your peas and roti.
Yeah. They're nice, yeah. I myself, I just get this one and say, you know what? I'll cook that peas.
I love your red beans too.
And I had fried the fish yesterday. You know when I come back,
it's a nice fish, boy. What kind of fish is this?
Ancho. I really don't eat any kind of fish neither, crazy. Yeah, my sister bought that and she keeps some for me.
What's your favorite type of fish to eat?
Lippy. That's a rockfish. You must pull that fish out of the sea and I cook it one day. I didn't show you the shot with the lippy and them I did catch. And the two partners, four of us went up last year. Nobody that was this year. I put a nice lippy on a pal. Now that partner pulled 2-3 little ones. Everybody catch a fish.
That is net fishing or spear fishing?
No, line. You out on a rock and you see maybe 40 feet below you. And you're throwing out.
As a little child, when we go to Caracas for holidays, my uncle Michael Kose, who is a writer, he had a boat back then. I'm not sure if he still has a boat. But he used to go to the Three Sisters of Columbus there, the Three Rocks.
I know where that is.
And boy, they used to be spearfishing there, boy. And when they finished the spearfishing, you used to get a little opportunity to put on your goggles and jump off of the pirogue into the water. So you're feeling like a grand diver.
You used to dive on them with master the gun. Yeah.
Them fellas was bossing that, boy.
Yeah, I mean, good cut out for that, boy. I could swim and thing a little bit, but you never know they just spear no fish. If I want action and I want to move, I will do it. What's the longest video you ever make?
The Diwali part 1 with you.
You serious?
Yeah.
But you said what an next part already?
Yeah, part 1 and part 2.
Oh. What's the part 2 about?
So part 1 included where you were making the parasol. And part 2 was when we sit down to eat the food. And then we left and we stopped by the river, the entrance there.
Right.
Some months before Mr. Bat passed away, at that point was the longest video I had done, where we drive through Puna. He was fixing his generator. He had sent his generator to fix. Yeah. And in that video is where he planned the okra, boy.
Yeah. But you know, yesterday, this woman just approached me just now, and she said, wait now, I always wanted to meet you and Mr. Bat, but it's too late now. I said, no, it's not too late. It's when I'm meeting you and whatever expire, and we talk about him a bit and things. There are people miss him and things.
Yeah, boy.
And then people in some old road. They was asking Tinky, she told me if I said, yeah, we'll go down here. She said, well, they was asking him how they could get at me a while back, like before Mr. Bad dead. And I didn't think he was really into movie making video. It's only the early, that Diwali video. You see, boy, you hit the whole market, boy. Because he's a serious Hindu too now, you know. Like Pinky. So you were telling me about it. And then I meet the lady. She said, yeah, you see, I was asking. I said, okay. So nice people.
I see a lot of people commented on your approach in making the parasad, on how it reminds them of the long time we are making parasad. Me not being familiar with it, I had nothing to compare it against, but the people who are familiar, they say, like that long time we are making that parasad.
Well, I from long, but I was small when I started to see that going on, and so I stay with that.
I'm curious to see how it, I must pull up some videos to get a sense of like how it evolved or what it is. All I remember as a little child going by the neighbor, maybe around Diwali time, and it just had like looking like a big pot of milk. Big pot on a firecracker on the ground. And just stirring.
Well, you see the one, that is the sugar, when I pour in the sugar with the ginger and the bay leaf and the spice, right? That you just put milk in it to boil it to make, let's call it pag, right? But I don't put the milk because I have no fridge that when you make parasad with milk, it can last the day and into the next day, but sometimes the milk tends to spoil.
Right.
You know, milk is that thing does spoil. So if you are making parasad with milk, you need a fridge to keep it. Now when you make it like how I do, you can keep it there a whole week. It don't no kind of bad thing. You have it covered down and you're not putting any kind of spoon in it. You take out that portion that you want to use and you have it there one side, and the rest you when you're ready, you take something and you take out. Like the same wooden spoon. You don't spoil. Parasad is like a food. You could make that another time you're going to cook for the week, and here's the good thing about it. That same parasad, you make it, you have it in the fridge and you have the milk. Well, it's mostly cow milk people use and thing, right? But now everything gets so modern, high technology, so advanced that you could just snap your fingers and bam, you know. But yeah, what? We use a natural UHT, stay fresh now.
Right.
That all concentrated. So, you know, it's like that. You have a pack of stay fresh in the fridge. You get up in the morning, you drink your coffee, you go and do your work, and you come back and you have your fridge. You pull out a glass of stay fresh and you take out a little portion of parasad and you eat, and that's good, that's fully up for the day, you know what I mean? You're about to cook for a week if you just have parasad. Well, it's pasad anyway, but people just have all kind of names, right?
What is the name as?
Parasad.
Parasad. Farmer Harry, that was a marvelous meal, sir.
Yeah, thank you.
I enjoyed that. Plenty.
I was wondering.
I enjoyed it.
I wash it down.
Yes, sir. Brilliant sunny day in Caura, man.
Now after tomorrow, please see, Lord, everybody who was fasting for the Diwali will break fast. Like done and start to eat fresh and whatever again after tomorrow night.
After, oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Till next year again, when you thought I was just think to come, but this was the biggest one ever. I could imagine getting some of these serious detractors now, eh?
Well, that is part of having a YouTube channel, eh? You know, it is. But you must always, on the topic of Diwali, always let the light shine over the darkness. Because you have so...
You learn something. You learn something.
Because you have so many brilliant supporters out there. Always
You
let
really
that
learn
light...
something from this Diwali then. Because the idea is light over darkness, good over evil.
When you... is a kind of... With that approach, what you will be able to do is you'll be scrolling through your page, a comment that is negative comes across. You might read it just to heed what is there and
To check him out, checking out all.
but you continue and you focus on the good. It's very, very easy to be
Like you tell me, you see a commander here too, like it, trying to figure out what's wrong with certain people, you know. If people actually jealous of something we do, you know, something that we ain't doing, you know, what they want to do. Because as I tell you, we don't ask anybody for anything. You just give me things I can't even afford that, you know what I mean? And certain people on your case for what? I have no idea. So as I said, we will have some serious detractors. When we just make the first two videos, I come across 2 lines But after that, I ain't seen nothing again, you know. I ain't go going on. But people won't stop.
Light over darkness, brother.
Yeah, man, you have a good point there.